Hey y'all, just a quick video to update you on my tomatoes. Do you think I went a little crazy with tomato planting? These are, almost all of these are sold, half of them are sold. These are beefsteaks, and then I've got pink ox heart, Castellino Genovese, I'm butchering that name, Typhon Mennonites, Dr. Witchy. There's a whole bunch of those because I really want to plant those. But aren't they pretty? And I planted them good and deep in these cups. And I ran out of cups, so I had to pull out my saved Bonnie plant cups. Anyway, I've still got plenty of soil left. And I will start up again tomorrow, but for now, I think Tom said there was like 86 or something plants I just planted. Anyway, all the rest of them, I had some that were wilted down. These were wilted real bad, but they came back. Some of them died. A few of them are gone, but it got too hot in here today. It was almost 80 degrees. And I brought these babies out. These are broccoli and my bunch of onions. So I saved this little shelf. Tom keeps telling me to throw stuff away, but you know what? It fits one of these seed trays perfect. So there's a method to my madness. And my kohlrabi is doing real good. I may take some of this to the garden tomorrow. Since it's been so nice, I may plant a few of these. And here's my cabbage. And these, I've got a few more pink ox hearts. These rare ones are, oh no, that's Molly's ground cherry. This one is a Sheboygan. And these are the ground cherries, and then these over here are the what's the name of them? Rio Grande tomatillos. So they'll be the green ones. So I'm excited. The garden's coming together. Gonna have a lot of plants for sale, you guys. Anybody local wants plants. We're gonna have lots of tomatoes. I've got more tomatoes growing in the house and lots of other stuff. Oh, and my spinach, oh my God, my spinach almost died on me. A lot of it did, but it got too hot in here. Talk to y'all later.